guys, I just want to shoot you this quick video on how to use Instagram Reels. Apologies for the bad air. So this one, you can choose the timing of your reel. In fact, I'll start again. So you go to Reels, pick your length, and then you click on audio. This is where you pick your music. So I'll randomly pick something. And then you can adjust it to the lyrics. I don't want to you can pick what's being said. What's been sung, sorry. So I'll pick that. You can pick the speed of how it goes, but I wouldn't adjust this because if you keep it on that, it just goes at the normal speed. You can play around with that. I don't really use that as much. And then you can use effects. Okay, that was creepy. So you can play around with the effects. The green screen's good though. You can upload and put a picture behind you. Want to come out of that. Yep, and then video layout. I don't really mess around with this. When you're first getting started, I wouldn't bother with those. You can set a timer so you can do it hands-free, or you can hold your phone. So this is how I do it. Okay, that was awkward. And then you would click this little arrow here. You can swipe across to pick a filter, and this is what you do with your text. So if you wanted it where I've been pointing down there, you put it there like that. And then you drag that so that'll only show that amount of the video. If you click that, it'll disappear, so when you're adding your other text. Easy to show. Put your tip tool there, but move it so it's not. Wait 2 seconds. So you move it so it's not on the same page as tip 1. And then you click that so it disappears. So watch that. Oh no, just trial and error. Let's see if it does it this time. No, it's still doing it. Oh, that's better. So you do it like that, and then you keep doing it with all your text. Yep. So you do it with, if you want to add more text, do the same thing. Do not want that. And then you just swipe across till you. See, I'm not perfect at this, but just about trying it. 2 seconds. That's why. So I'll get rid of that like that. Let's have a look. So it's obviously, I'd probably make it a bit better, obviously. This is just showing you how you add your text like that. You can mess around with the filters. And then that's it really. Then you write your caption and you can put some hashtags in there as well, because that helps you get more reach. And this is your cover. You can make your own cover. I'd suggest Word Swag. You can, what I usually do is pick a half decent frame, then I'd screenshot it, upload it to Word Swag, then insert some text of what the video's about, and then just use it as a cover. And yeah, that's it. Feel free to ask me any questions if I'm not clear on something, but that's the basics of Instagram Reels, and it's been working quite well for me so far. So yeah.